Have you heard of the Taos hum? Since the early 1990s, residents of Taos, New Mexico, have reported hearing a mysterious, low-frequency hum. The hum is described as a persistent, faint droning sound, audible only to some. Scientists and researchers have conducted studies, but no definitive source has been found. Theories range from industrial equipment and tinnitus to geological and atmospheric conditions. For those who hear it, the hum is more than an annoyance. It's a constant, perplexing mystery. What could be causing the Taos hum, and why can only some people hear it?